Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing something very different. I'm gonna be talking to strangers on Amiga. Yo, are we ready? Are we not? Okay guys, so here we go. By checking the box, you acknowledge that you are blah blah blah. Omega maybe blah blah confirm. So yeah, let's see what happens. Mabra. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. What do we have here? It may take a little time. Hey! Someone had trapped me in a room. अच्छा? हम पुलिस कॉल करेगा? अरे जल्दी जल्दी टाइप करो. What can I do? You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, you look so sad, man.
Saw your face, bro.
Oh, that was so mean, man.
I will just basically no bar, subscribe, ding dong dong.
No, what ding dong, bro? My name is Dawan. You called me ding dong. Oh my gosh. I'm from India, but from the northeastern part of India, from a small hill station. So we like the tribals, man. We come from the warrior class. So as you can see, I'm very muscular and strong. I'm a very tough dude. So yeah.
Keep telling yourself.
Bro,
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game.
56,000 people online right now. We can look at that. 56,000 people. I'm struggling to get one match. Just see. So see that. Sad. Yo, I need your help.
Yeah, what you need, bro?
So you have to make fun of me, okay? It'll be staged so that I can then edit it out. Yeah, I'll act all crazy and shit. I'll act like I'm so excited to talk to you, and I'll act like, oh my god, so nice to talk to you, and you just make fun of me like savage, like straight down savage, and then I'll react to that. Ready?
Sounds like a plan. Yeah.
Okay, so okay, so let's do it. I'm recording now, okay? Okay, you ready?
Alright, bet.
Let's do this. My god, hi, my name is Dawan, I'm from India, hi, how are
I
you?
ain't gonna lie, my boy, your head about big as a bitch, my nigga. The fuck is you wearing? Like, button your shit up all the way, fuck around with you, my nigga. You ugly as shit.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Like, what the fuck is on your head, my nigga? Are you about ugly as a bitch?
Squash with dal. Kasi vibes. Yo, hi. Why
ऐसे कैसे? अरे चूता समझेगा?
why are you not skipping me?
What?
Why are you not skipping me?
Maybe.
I am from India. We are very similar. Same.
You're from India. You love biryani.
Kap,
Panipuri.
panipuri, atta, moida, pudina. Dot siam, dot hard, dot jam, honey. And we have we have rumbai, terso dot siam. Oh my god, you should have terso dot siam. It's the best food in India. Gosh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, and then we have see it. We have akuni dito. Then kita gini ashar no this ashar rumsi and all. Oh my gosh, so good.
I don't understand you.
No, these are all like the best types of dishes from India. What about you guys? What do you guys have?
Wood.
What's so funny, bro?
Huh? What's so funny? Your fucking face. Your fucking life up there.
Honey. Welcome to my YouTube channel, bhai.
Letters on the sky, burning in your eyes.
ये आईवी कैम क्या लिखा हुआ है तेरे कैमरे के ऊपर?
आईवी कैम बहुत बढ़िया कैम है, हमारा कंपनी का है।
हमारे कंपनी का है?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
उसी
गूगल करो।
उसी कंपनी में काम करते हो तुम?
नहीं, हम CEO है वो कंपनी।
Count me now.
CEO हो कंपनी के?
CEO किसी भी है, सब कंपनी है।
बेटा ऐसे CEO होते तो ऐसे घर में नहीं रह रहे होते। ग्रीन स्क्रीन होती तुम्हारे पीछे, इस वक्त गेमिंग चेयर होती तुम्हारे पास।
सही बात। आप वो अली फैजल की जैसा दिखता, मिर्जापुर वाला।
अली फैजल के जैसा दिखता? मिर्जापुर वाला?
हाँ।
नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ वो।
ऐसा बात करो ना, हम दिखेगा।
ऐसा ही बाल था उसका।
बात करो अली फैजल का जैसा, मिर्जापुर।
याद भी नहीं।
अरे भाई कोई भी गाली में दो,
जैसे?
गाली दो मुझे।
आका भोसड़ा।
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh my god.
What do you have to say?
Hey.
That's it. Hey, just hey.
Hey.
Okay, give me 3 reasons why you want to skip me. Why you want to skip me right now and talk to someone else?
You're fucking creepy.
How am I creepy?
To your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow.
Yo, listen. You're on my YouTube channel right now. What do you have to say?
I'm black.
That's it.
It's crazy, isn't it?
I want you to give me 3 reasons why you want to skip me right now and talk to someone else.
Well, you're boring.
I'm boring. Damn, no wonder I don't get any ladies, man.
Assume that I want to skip you.
Bro, you could call me David Beckham. I look like him, of course, I know that, but still, you could call me. I wouldn't be
Don't
offended.
look like David
Bro.
Beckham.
Bro.
Whoever's telling you
Bro.
that, you need to cut them off.
I'm boring, and what else? See, you got nothing on you because I'm perfect the way I am.
Started feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind.
Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
You're far from perfect, but
Tip, jayo manan. Manan ang
I can't hear your voice.
ngalik kay manan, ngalik kay manan.
I can't hear your voice, please.
Singkay perlak ngalik manan.
No.
Wait, stay right there. Wait, let me play something for you. Play something for you right now. I heard you play Family. Yo, I wish I could drive like that, man. It's so cool. It's just so cool.
I can do that.
What? You can? Like for real?
Drifter. I'm a professional drifter.
You're joking.
Nope.
Prove it to me.
I can't drag my desktop out of my room, you idiot.
Bro, I have the perfect song for you. Wait. Just wait there.
Yes, bro.
Wait, I'll play something, bro. Oof, too good, bro.
मैसेज क्यों डिलीट हो गया किंग भाई का?
Hero bhai.
Play.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am definitely ready. Play it.
Wait. Oh no, wait. That's. Oh, you look so evil, man. Yeah.
मैं हूँ इंडिया से, तुम कहाँ से हो?
जहन भाई, हम भी इंडिया से हैं।
इंडिया में कहाँ से हो?
इंडिया से हम यहाँ कश्मीर से हैं।
अरे कश्मीर ओपी बहुत अच्छी जगह है, आएंगे किसी दिन फुर्सत निकाल के।
आप कहाँ से है भाई?
हम फिलहाल तो मार्स से हैं।
हाँ, मार्स। अरे क्या वहाँ पानी मिलता है ना, हम सुना।
एलोनोवा हमको भेजा था मार्स पे। एलोनोवा को जानते हो?
How old are you?
11.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
50,000 people online right now, and me and you met. This must mean something. We're bound to be together. I think I'm in love with you. Yo, white boys, you're on my YouTube channel right now. What do you have to say?
It is my birthday today.
Oh, it's your birthday today? Oh, bro, happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dawan Congo.
Dawan. What are you? You guys are, what are you? English, British, Russian, American, African? What are you? Who are you?
Finnish. From Finland.
Finland! Guess more. I come from a place where there are many brown people.
Have you tried Indian yet, ladies? Have you tried Indian? Oh, you must. Once you go brown, the other colors let you down.
Brown people.
India. Yes.
Guys, I'm gonna act like I'm sad now. Let's see what happens. Just transfer it. Okay, guys, so that didn't go well. I'm gonna give someone a motivational speech. I'm gonna see how they react. Okay, guys, I just found this. Okay. I'm trying to become a motivational speaker. Let me see if I do it right. Let me try to inspire you guys. Okay, here we go. Is this song fine? Okay, fine. Never mind. Let me tell you something you already know. This world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. Let me tell you that. It's a very mean, a very nasty place. But you will make it. Cheers to that. You will make it in life, you will succeed, and I will see you up there on the billboard. Top 10 with Billie Eilish. Yo, how's that?
Good.
How's that?
It was good. That was really intense. Like the music really added to it, and I went to the prop with a glass of water.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. This is actually my YouTube channel. You guys are on my YouTube
Like
channel.
with the lighting and everything. That was good.
Guys, I need your help. I need your help. Can you say something mean to me so that it becomes like a funny video? Something really. We will stage it.
I don't want to be mean. That was good.
I like you. Almost love you, but like you.
Yo, you like to act? Let's act something out. You ready? Okay, let me play some music. It's gonna be intense. Okay. Why did you kill my daughter?
नेपाल के हो, असम के हो, कहाँ के हो तुम?
नहीं, कश्मीर
के हो?
इसलिए हम बहुत हैंडसम है ना दे। इसे वो
दाढ़ी नहीं आई भाई, कश्मीरियों की दाढ़ी बहुत आती है।
नहीं, हम तो नहीं आती था। हम सिर्फ
कश्मीरी पंडित हो।
जब से हम पैदा ना सिर्फ इंग्लिश देखता है, इसलिए English movie, English video, सब English football.
That North Carolina can mess up this shot. Oh! 150.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
Saufal. Saufal.
Saufal?
Saufal. SEUFAL.
Saufal.
हाँ. Saufal enggak.
पूरा